Dear friends, once again I resume with further topic of chapter 1, the rise of nationalism in Europe. And today's topic is the visualizing the nation. Whenever we will talk about the earlier few videos, we just explained and just study about the unification. Now the story is just going to be about to end, right? The beginning just started with the meaning of the nationalism. It extended with its expansion, resulting revolution, and resulting finally the formation of nation state and unification of the nation. Now, when a country is just unified or just formed or just it be changed into a nation state, then there is the issue of its identification, how it is just visualized, right? Whenever we talk about India, right, then an image of Bharat Mata just come in front of us. In actual, is there any Bharat Mata? No, she is not any goddess, but just it is imagination that India be represented or identified with sacred sentiments, right? But with religious sentiments, which creates internal bondage, एक आस्था जिसके लिए क्रिएट हो जाए, right? The same thing, these were the different equipments just used by the romanticism loving or liking peoples to create sentiments among the peoples, right? When we talk about our country India, then obviously during the national movement our few art culture people for attracting the common peoples or the peoples who do not anyway just wanted to be participant of any revolution, for creating emotion and sentiments among them, such type of different stories, novels, poems, drama, music, dance be represented as the common peoples just see and just become participant in the national movement. The same thing just happened in Europe also during that time, right? When the Germany was just formed, when the Germany was just unified, when Italy was just unified, when we talk about the formation of the Greece after the Treaty of Constantinople, we are finding during that time revolutionaries or the leaders just rise such type of steps for attracting or adding the common peoples, right? Dear students, when we talk about India or any country, then few of the things just come in front of us. Just if there is a country, definitely they have their geography, right? They have a culture and tradition, they have a national anthem, they have some national symbols, and on this basis there is national identification happened, means the peoples of the different community or the different ethnicity or different cultures are just coming in one nation, means having their one common things for all. On those informations or those issues, every people just feel oneness. That is the sentiments to towards the visualizing a nation. Such type of ideologies and such type of ideas just come in the mind of the unifiers or the former of the nation states, right? So here in this chapter there are two examples will be given to gather people, to join people, and to show positive sentiments of the peoples and attracts them, right? So what is, if we talk about the face of the nation, so obviously for face of any nation is just their geography, their culture and traditions, their national symbols, their national identifications, right? Now the next, now personifications of nation, representing the nation as it were a person, means for the feeling of livings, for the feelings of livings, a country was just shaped in the form of a person, as Bharat, Bharat Mata, as France, Germania, as as France Marines, as Germany, as a Germania, right? These are the different female figure. They don't have physical or any real figure. These are just imaginary imaginations, just imaginary personalities. On the name, the many peoples are just attracted, right? So a personifications of the nations will be represented, right? Now allegory. What is allegory? Try to understand this topic, very important topic. Allegory is an abstract idea expressing through a female figure for national identity, right? For national identity, showing a female figure is just called allegory. It's a way of personification. It's a way to show a nation as a people, to show a nation a people as we, the common people, just love and like to worship the God, and the face of the country will be given in the form of God, as our religious sentiments created. As I just told you, the sentiments be created among the peoples, right? So now take the example of France. What happened in France? A female figure, of Christian Marine will be given. On her name, all the peoples will be said to get together. Come in front, come be part of nation, come and do the revolution, right? The idea and the Christian Marines just expand the idea of the people's nations, right? If we talk about France, the whole revolution happened for a ruling that is based on the people's ideas, a government that will be formed with consent of the peoples. Next one, it exhibits the idea of liberty, right? Means the figure of Marine was just representation of the common people based on the liberty, a ruling just based on the liberty. National symbols, her image were marked on coins and stamps to expand the sentiments, towards goddess Marine, on different stamps, on different coins, the mark of Germania will be printed, right? As more and more sentiments of the common people be expanded. Now we will take the example of Germania. Germania is a female figure showing nationalism for the people of Germany. In her representation, she wears a crown of oak leaves. You will see the figure in your book that the goddess, the goddess or the country's representation of Germany, the Germania, she wears a crown overhead of oak leaves, and oak leaves is the symbol of heroism in Germany. That's why you will see that in both the country what happened for attracting the people, for increasing the religious sentiments. There were there were selection of two female figure which were just known as allegory, right? So conclude in conclusion, I just told you I just tell you, dear students, what happened after the formation of nation state, or during the formation of nation state. Just romanticism leaders just worked as the more and more common peoples, or the peoples who are not anyway just participant of violent, or they do not more educated. They just created such images, and on the name of that images the more and more common peoples attracted towards it, and this such type of provision be common. And after France and Germany, it will be become popular in different countries of Europe, and later on when there was the independency happened in Asian countries, different Asian countries also just choose such type of allegory. And in this form we can say India, when the war of the independency was going on in India, also an image of Bharat Mata be accepted by Indians. Thank you. Have a nice day. I hope you have understood very clearly today's topic. If you will have any problem, you can write down in comment box. I will again explain in next video if such type of comments be just comes out. So thank you. Have a nice day. With this suggestion that you will see each and every video systematically and see it completely. Thank you. Have a nice day.